From the Storm Tracker 33 Weather Center, I'm Chief Meteorologist Jesse Gunkel. We do have an alert out there just to kind of give you a heads up. There is now a tornado warning for Pointe Coupee Parish and portions of West Feliciana. That is in effect until 12:15. Again, this is a Doppler indicated tornado. Signs of possible rotation within this cell. Obviously, if we flip it over to the Doppler radar, you're going to see a little bit more, again, that possible rotation in that isolated cell as it drifts off towards the northeast now at about 45 miles per hour. So the good news is this is a quick moving storm. They haven't officially seen anything quite yet on the ground. You notice that we've got quite a few lightning strikes, pretty intense out there. And again, here's that little pocket north of the Jackson area. Oh, excuse me, right here. Again, going a little bit further north along Highway 61 at this point. So a couple little areas embedded along this line where we could see a little bit of rotation out there. And again, that is the area of concern, isolated tornadoes. If you live anywhere within the path at this point, now is time to find that safe spot, obviously well away from windows, the center of your house. Obviously, we don't have basements here. So again, find that room, the strongest room, somewhere away from those windows, such as a bathroom where you've got those tubs in place to kind of cover your head and at least kind of add a little extra protection between you and the outside walls. Now again, all these isolated thunderstorms are heading off towards the northeast. We're kind of keeping an eye on that tail end also because obviously those winds have been rather strong throughout the day. We've had some gusts already up to that 40-mile-an-hour range. Well, we've got a lot of warm, humid, moist air in place, and these storms are really starting to pop. So even further south, east and west Baton Rouge Parish, you guys got to be on the high alert again because some of these storms could be slightly strong. That extends a little bit further south. Notice also a severe thunderstorm warning in place until noontime. Otherwise, again, that should probably shift a little bit further east. We've had some pockets of heavy rainfall through Baton Rouge, up through Zachary and Jackson. But this is the area of concern, Pointe Coupee and West Feliciana at this point until 12:15. Obviously, Danielle, have we had, this is again complete team coverage, have we had any reports of any damage or anything or any spotted tornadoes quite yet?
Right now it says radar indicated, and they're just watching it real closely. So if anyone up in Pointe Coupee or the Felicianas, hopefully you're in your safe place, but if you do have anything, just send in some reports of what you're seeing.
Yeah, again, all that means is this is a thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado, meaning we're starting to see some rotation on the Doppler radar. Obviously, it's a long way away from the center of the sweep here. That is concern. Also, it looks like we've got a new flash flood warning a little bit further west, and that same band of heavy rainfall is expected to slide through. Flash flooding still a concern throughout the afternoon and early evening, mainly in localized areas. Our rivers, our streams should be able to hold most of this water. Again, they may swell a little bit and look pretty scary out there, but again, I don't think it's going to be enough water. Yes, maybe a little bit of ponding on some of our roadways out there causing some concern. So please drive with caution if you have to be on the roadways out there. I think a lot of us still have some vacation time, so we're still staying off the roadways and away from work, which is good. Again, that means stay inside in that safe spot and obviously keep an eye on that tornado warning out there, Pointe Coupee to West Feliciana until 12:15. Danielle, you want to join me just to show you, kind of add any information that you've been kind of tracking it for the last few minutes?
Yeah,
I kind of just walked in.
This system is the one that's been going all through Texas. It's been spitting off tornado after tornado. We have all the upper air elements we've been looking for, the Gulf moisture. You notice it's a lot warmer out there than it has been for the month of December. So again, we have all the elements, and this is just the beginning line of the storm. So we're going to be watching it as it continues to push. And again, this is in effect until 12:15 this afternoon.
Yeah, we've got a lot of instability out there. Obviously, those winds have been rather strong. We're still underneath that wind advisory until,
oh God, is it 4 p.m.? 4 p.m., 5 p.m.?
Yeah, I think 4 p.m. this evening. So again, those winds are still going to continue to be strong. Obviously, we've got to keep an eye on that main line. Anytime they issue a severe thunderstorm warning, they're talking winds probably up to about 60, 65 miles per hour. Again, that can also do a lot of damage. So the concern is that we may even see some power outages later on this afternoon. So just be well aware of that. If you have company over, you're still celebrating the holidays, that could be an issue at this point. But this is still the area that we're keeping an eye on. And luckily, again, they have eliminated that tornado warning. Hold on, it sounds like we've got a new warning coming in. They may be issuing it a little bit further west now, or at least shifting the overall track of the system.
They canceled it.
They have canceled it officially. So that again is very good news for those in Pointe Coupee and East and West Feliciana. We got a new, it's still underneath that tornado watch until 6 p.m. this evening. So still that possibility of some isolated thunderstorms. What we're going to do here in the Storm Tracker 33 Weather Center is continue to track this line of thunderstorms. If you don't have to be on the roadways this evening, obviously keep an eye on this next little band of heavy rainfall because flash flooding will be that concern. We're going to continue to keep you updated with our crawl on the bottom of the screen. We're going to continue to follow you on Facebook. We're going to do some Facebook Lives out there, so please join us for a conversation. Again, if you have any questions or concerns out there, and obviously, again, we're going to have more through our website, brproud.com. We now send you back to regular programming.